Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video description. Today I will talk to you about Sumiyoshi Taisha. Sumiyoshi Taisha is one of the oldest shrine in Japan, located in Sumiyoshi Ward, Osaka. It was founded in year 211 and has over 1,800 years of history. This shrine is head of about 2,300 Sumiyoshi shrines across Japan. It is dedicated to the three Sumiyoshi gods who are protectors of the sea. Many people visit to pray for safe travel and success in business. The main hall is built in the unique Japanese style called Sumiyoshi-zukuri and is a natural treasure. Its style features a simple and straight line showing the beauty of Japanese ancient traditions. Another famous feature is the red Sumiyoshi Bridge, Taiko Bridge. It's a symbol of the shrine and a popular hotspot. Crossing this bridge is believed to purify the body and mind. Recently, seasonal events and festivals at Sumiyoshi Taisha have gained attention. The New Year visit, Hatsumode, and the Sumiyoshi Festival in July are especially popular and bringing many visitors. With upcoming 2025 Osaka Kansai Expo, the area around the shrine is improving, making it even easier to visit. Sumiyoshi Taisha is a special place where you can enjoy historic architecture, traditional festivals, and a peaceful atmosphere. It's a must-see spot when you visit Osaka. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.